Hello everyone, welcome back to another dance tutorial with me. My name is Lavina and today we're going to learn Unholy by Sam Smith and it's choreography by 1 Million Dance Studio. So I'm going to post the original class link in the bio down below and you guys can also check out my dance cover to this. And I'm also going to do another video of ranking all the choreographies of Unholy and checking out which one is the best one. So yeah, this dance is not too difficult. I'm sure once I break it down section by section, even beginners will follow it just with no problem. But yeah, that's the thing with YouTube tutorial. You can always go back to it and rewatch it, keep practicing that section, rewatching the steps. And yeah, this video is probably gonna be like less than 20 minutes. And I'm sure yeah, you guys are not gonna get it in 20 minutes. I didn't get it in 20 minutes. You guys just gonna keep practice and just gonna make it better. And yeah, I'm sure you guys will do great and let's get on to it. Okay, so before we get started, just one last thing. If you guys can subscribe to my channel and give this video a like, very much appreciate it. Thank you so much. I know that I haven't been posting a lot lately. It's just because I've been really busy with work and having a full-time job, and posting YouTube is just very difficult. So yeah, I promise I'm gonna get better at it and I'm hoping that I can post one tutorial per week. Subscribe and I'll let you guys know when a new tutorial is coming up. So this is the beginning, and this is a mirror video. So this is your left, and then this is your right. So we're gonna start with keep your business clean. Okay, so from here, we're gonna go keep your business clean. Okay, so let's try that again. So we're gonna go open with our right knee, and then we're gonna go switch, and then we're gonna go come back up, and we're gonna go push. So your hands are gonna come together, you're just gonna kick with your right. And from here, you're just gonna open up, so your hands are gonna go around in a circle. Okay, let's try that again. So this is keep your business clean. Okay. So yeah, it's up to you whether you want to have your hands closed or open. It's up to you. Okay, let's try that again. So there's tap, tap, up, push, and round. Okay, from here, you're going to come back in to this position. So after going around, maybe put more emphasis on looking over your right shoulder, and then you're going to come down. So just punch down. So around and punch. From here, you're going to go out, out. Okay, so from here, you're just going to do like two small little out. So out, out. So yeah, because of the beats. Okay, so from here, let's try that again. Until here. Okay, so let's try that from the top. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and tap, tap, up, push, round and down, tap, tap. Okay, from here. Okay, let's try that again. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and down, down, up, push, round and down, tap, tap. Okay, from here. Okay, from here, you're gonna go throw. Okay, you're just gonna go throw your right arm down, and your right leg is gonna go step out, and your hand is just gonna go like no, no. Okay, let's try that again. So from here, out, out, throw, and no, no, ta. And you're just gonna open up after this. So from this one, your right leg is gonna step, and then you're gonna step on your left leg, and you're gonna open up like this. Okay, so your knees are outwards. From here, your right hand is just gonna go around, and your right leg is gonna go in. Okay, so let's try that again. So from here, you're gonna go out, out, ta, and pa, and down, around, and ta. Okay, let's try it from the top. Okay, so let's try that from the top. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and ta, ta, up, push, and around, and down, ta, ta, throw, and ta, ta, out, around, and pa. Okay, so after out, you're gonna go around and tap in with the right leg, and you're just gonna step, step. So a little step to your left. Okay, so here, you're gonna go around and tap, step, step. Okay, from here we go. Okay, so let's try from here. You're gonna go out, out, pa, and tap, and out, around, and tap, and tap. Okay, so this one, tap and step. Okay, so from here, there's the body shop doing something unholy. Okay, so simple, simple. So from here, you're gonna go around, tap, and over to your left. And from here, you're just gonna go around your head, and then around your chest, and then you're gonna come down to your knees, tap, and pa. You're gonna come back to the middle. Okay, so from here, your legs are gonna go in, out, in, tap. Okay, let's try that again. So from here, it's gonna be over your head, and then over your body, and from here just take it slowly from your chest down to your leg, tap and pa. Okay, and then from here, once your legs are together, your hands are just gonna be like together praying, and then you're gonna go step right and left. Okay, so let's try that again, right and left. Okay, so before we go to the next part, just want to clean up a little bit. So from here, this is gonna be very sharp. This tap, 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 tap. From here, you're gonna go slowly down, up, up. From here, pa, tap, and over. From here, this is gonna be very obvious, and then with the tap, you're gonna go pa and out. From here, when you go around, just take your time and feel yourself, be sexy, you know, over and around, and make sure from this one, you're gonna go down, down and up. So make sure to see the difference. Over, over, down and up. Okay, from here, you're just gonna go chill, chill. Okay, from here. Let's try it from the top. So I'm gonna try to sing it. 5, 6, 7, and keep your business clean. Ta, ta. Mommy don't know that he's getting hot. Pa, to the body shop, doing something unholy. Okay, so let's try that again. Very slowly this time. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, and down, down, up, push around, down, up, ta and ta, out, around and ta, and over your head, over your chest, down your knee, pa, pa, pa. Okay, let's try that again, and we're gonna move on. All right, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and down, down, up, out, and push, down, out, out, clap, cross, and open, round, and ta, and over your head, over your chest, down your knee, ta, pa, pa. Okay, so this is part 1. You only got 1 second to chill, basically. Okay, from here, ta, ta, you're gonna go kick with your right. Okay, so from here, unholy, and then from here, you're gonna step on your left and kick your right. Yeah, just get it as high as possible if you can. Okay, so let's try that again. From here, you're gonna go step left, step right, and once you're just gonna step on your left again, kick. Okay, from here, you're gonna go pa. So your hands are just gonna go point to your left. Okay, so there's ka, ka. Okay, after the kick, and you're gonna go ta. You're gonna go look on your left when you do this. So tap to your left, and you're gonna go to your right. So when you go to the right, your legs are straight. From here, you're gonna go put your right leg behind your back, and your hand is gonna go around. You're gonna hit over here, ta. Or you can use your hand like pa. Okay, let's try that again. So from here, after the kick and ta, and from here, you're gonna go around, around, around over here, pa, and you're gonna go step back over here. Okay, let's try that again. So this is quite fast. So once you go over here, this ta and around, pa and ta. Okay, so yeah, don't take your time over this. Just go boom and pa. Okay, let's try that again. So from here, let's go here. You're gonna go left, right, and ta and pa, over, ta and ta. Okay, let's try that one last time, and then we're gonna move on. Okay, so this is okay, let's try it from here. We're gonna go around, ta and over, and down and pa, unholy, ta and ka, and around, pa and ta. Okay. You're probably gonna be tired of me saying pa and ta and kick. Okay, I don't know how else to explain it. Okay, so after once you get back to here, straight, you're gonna go open your right leg. So you're gonna go up and open. Okay, so up and open. Okay, from here, once you go up, your left hand is gonna come, and you're gonna go switch over to your right hand. Let's try that again. So this up, open, switch. Let's try that again. This up, open, switch. From here, you're gonna go. So from here, when your legs go down, go in. Right, your legs are gonna go in, and your head is just gonna go down. From here, you're gonna go push. So like once you go down, your right shoulder is kind of like pushing yourself backwards, and you're gonna go ta. So this is quite slow actually. Okay, so let's try it again. From here, you're gonna go up, ta, ta, and then go in, over. Your right leg is just gonna step behind, and your hands are just gonna come out straight. And from here, you're just gonna step back to your left, and your hands are gonna come up, and you're gonna go down. Okay, let's try that again. So from here, let's try that again. You're gonna up, ta, ta, around, put it down slowly. Oh, okay, so this is oh, and then you're gonna go step back up with your right leg. We go, we go. Okay, so your shoulders are gonna go pop to the front, pop, pop. Okay, so let's try that again from here. Put it, okay, so from here, this, put it down slowly. Oh, we go, we go. Okay, so once you go out, you gotta make sure to like put your right leg up again, and you're gonna go, we go, we go. So just step behind, over, up, and back. Okay, so after, so for these, you don't really have to like hit it like boom, boom. It's like very gentle. So from here, let's try that again. I'll show it to you guys. What do you mean by gentle? All right, this one is hard. Boom, and from here, we go, we go. Okay, so yeah, so use the energy still, but not like boom, boom, but like slowly go, we go. Okay, from here, down, up, and up. We're gonna step back together, and we're gonna go out, out. Okay, so how do you say this? This right, left, and right. Okay, but it's gonna be fast. Ta, ta, ta. Okay, let's try that again. Ta, ta, ta. From here, we're just gonna go ta, ta, ta. So your right leg is just gonna kick out from the first one. Ta, ta, ta. Okay, from here, we're just gonna go down. So both hands gonna go down, and your right hand, the right leg that you just kick out, is gonna go down with you. So from here, your hand is just gonna scoop all the way down, all the way to the top. We're gonna go boom, boom. I really like this move. Okay, so out, out. your hand is just gonna do wave, wave, and you're gonna go step on your left first. Left, and your right leg is just gonna go out like this, and then left. So make sure that there's like curves over here in your waist. So boom, boom, just 5 with it as well. A. Okay. All right, let's try that all over again from here, let's say. Okay, so this up, tap, tap, down, put it down slowly. Go, we go, we go. Da, 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 do, we go, we go. Okay, so yeah, there was just not enough space. Okay, but let's try that again. So from here, we go, and then we're gonna go kick, 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 and down, and up, up. Okay, from here. Okay, I'm not sure if you guys can see it clearly in the previous video, but from here, you're gonna go tap, 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 and your right leg is gonna go all the way to the back. Go back while you scoop it out, and then you're gonna go right, left. Okay, so let's try that again. So this tap, 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 gonna go down, when you come up, right and left. Okay, so from here, we're gonna go unholy, kick and tap, and point to your right, over, pat and tap, over, up, and switch, over, down, and push, and down, and up, up, and kick, 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 down, and up, up. Okay, let's try that again. So that one we did it quite slowly. Let's do it a little bit faster. My hair is a mess, my goodness. Okay. Alright, so this is unholy, kick and tap, and over, and tap, 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 up, tap, and turn, push, and down, and up, up, and tap, 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 down, over, over, wave, wave. Okay, let's try it from the top, 5, 6, 7. Keep your business clean. Okay, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and keep your business clean. Ta, ta. Mommy don't know that he's getting hot at the body shop. And ta, holy, it's a pop. Now she's dropping it. Ta, da, 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 ta. Put it down slowly. Oh, we go, we go. Ta, ta, ta. Oh, we go, we go. Oh, it's just hard to dance and sing at the same time. Okay, one more time, and then we're gonna move on. 5, 6, 7, 8, and ta, ta. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, and keep your business clean. Ta, ta. Mommy don't know that he's getting hot at the body shop, doing something unholy. It's a pop while she's dropping it. Pop, dun, 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 dun. And she put it down slowly. Oh, we go, da, 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 da. Down, we go. Okay, so yeah, that's part 1 and part 2, and we only have a little bit to go, I swear. And it's gonna be the easiest part, the easiest part. So yeah, catch your breath. And if you're not familiarized with the 2 parts before, just go back and rewatch it, follow it section by section. Once you got that done, then you can move on. So yeah, take it slow, take your time, keep practicing, and if you're ready, I'll see you. Alright, so from here, out, out. From here, you're gonna have your head with the flower, so you're gonna go around like this, okay? Around like this, and you're gonna close it over. So around and close. And you're gonna go bring it down, down, down. And you're gonna bring it over here, and your hand is gonna go around your chest area. Tap, tap. Okay, so don't just go pop, pop. You have to go, alright, so this down, down, around, all the way up here, all the way down here, right? And then pop, pop. Okay, so let's try that again. So from here, we go. And then around, down, down, around over here, tap, tap. So your chest is gonna go over, pop, pop. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, almost there. We have 3 more steps and we're done. Okay, so from here, right, left, around, and you're gonna go open your right leg up. Open, and then once you go down, you're just gonna step on it. Down, down, over, pa, pa. From here, you're gonna go back up here, ta. Okay, so from here, down, down, over, pa, pa. And you're gonna go ta. So you're just gonna, oh, ta, ta. And you're just gonna close your leg, pa. Okay, and your hands are gonna go close. Okay, from here. All right, let's try to connect it with part 2 a little bit first. Okay, so from here, let's see. From here, you're gonna go up, tap, tap, bring it down slowly. Go, we go. Da, da, da. Go, we go. Around, down, down, over, pop, pop, and down. Okay, so let's try that one last time. From here, down, put it down slowly. Go, we go. Da, 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 down, we go. Over, down, down, over, ta, 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 over back here. So from here, let's try it over. From here, you're gonna go down, down. From here, down, over, pa, pa. And from here, you can hear ta. Okay, so make sure that you hit that ta. Okay, let's try that again. From here, we go. Over, down, down, over, ta, ta, pa. Okay, make sure you hit that. Boom. Okay, from here, you're just gonna go. Okay, so from here, you're gonna go step on your right. Step on your right. Okay, so from here, step on your right. And your left leg is gonna go behind. And you're gonna go up over here. And you're gonna go ta. And then you're gonna open up your arms. Open up. You're gonna go down, down. Okay, or you can go, let's see, from here, pa, up, pa, over, over. Okay, over, over. So from here, your hands, once you go down, ta, your hands are gonna open, and from here, you can do either touching your body, or you can go fists together, over, over. Okay, and your hips are gonna go left, left. From here. Okay, let's try it from here again. We're gonna go over and up, pa, down, down. Okay, and again. So everything is connected. Don't stop over here. Make sure to like bring it down, over, over. So from here, your hands. Once you go down, let's try that again. From here, I'm gonna go over, pa, ta, over, over. Okay, let's try that one last time. I'm gonna do it slowly. All right. So from here, let's try it from here. Do this down, down, over, pa, pa. Step together, over, up, pa, and over, over. From here, one last step, and then we're gonna go around our head. And from here, we're just gonna go step with your right leg, ta, ta. So you're gonna go step back with your right, and then you're gonna open up, back together. And there's a holy, and that's the end of the choreography. All right, so, okay, so from here, ta, ta, ta. Oh, we go, da, 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 pa, pa, da, over, ta, ta, over, 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 and ta, ta, da, da. Okay. Okay, so let's just do it one last time of the third part, and I'm gonna connect everything together. All right. So from here, we go, over, down, down, over, ta, 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 open, up, pa. You're gonna slow, body sharp, doing something unholy. Okay, so should we connect part 2 and part 3 together? Okay, so from the kick. Okay, so let's say from here. All right. Doing something unholy. It's a pop while she's dropping it. Ha, da 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 da. She'll put it down slowly. Go, we go, da da da. Go, we go. Around, down, down. Pa pa, ta. Over, up, pa. Snub body sharp. Doing something unholy. And then that's the end. Alright, so should we try it from the top? Okay. Okay, let's try to do everything slowly from the top. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and keep your business clean. Pa, pa, clap, no, open, around, ta, and body sharp, over and down, and walk, and kick, and ta, over, around, and pa, over, up, switch, down, and slowly, over, up, down, ta, ta, and pa, 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 down, and up, from here, round, ta, ta, over, pa, pa, down, over, up, pa, over, touch, around, and step, holy. Okay, let's try to do everything slowly from the top. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and keep your business clean. Pa, pa, clap, no, open, around, ta, and body sharp, over and down, and walk, and kick, and ta, over, around, and pa, over, up, switch, down, and slowly, over, up, down, ta, and pa, 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 down, and up, from here, round, ta, over, pa, pa, down, over, up, pa, over, touch, around, and step, holy. Okay, so go practice it with music. I'm gonna drop the link of my dance cover down below. It's gonna be mirrored, and I'm gonna put it full speed, and I'm gonna put it at like 50%, 80%, and then full speed again, so you guys can practice it with the slower speed. All right, see you guys next time. So yeah, that's the end of the dance tutorial. Thank you so much for learning this dance with me. I hope you guys enjoy it, and just keep practicing. You guys can go back and rewatch the steps that you're not familiarized with, and just keep doing it again and again. It's gonna take some time. No one's gonna do it perfectly the first time. So yeah, if you guys want to tag me in your dance covers, I'll go check it out as well. And you guys can also practice it with my dance cover in the link down below, which is mirrored. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you guys in the next dance tutorial. See ya, bye bye.